नमस्कार मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचं आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. तुम्ही या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. मित्रांनो, आज आपण बघणार आहोत द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन्स ऑफ अल्किल हॅलाइड्स. The method of preparations of alkyl halides from alcohols by using the halogen acids and hydrogen halides. The general reaction is when alcohol is reacted with halogen acids or hydrogen halides and to give alkyl halides. The reaction is R single bond OH plus HX in suitable conditions and to give R single bond X plus H2O. In general, the preparations of alkyl chlorides. When alcohol is reacted with concentrated hydrochloric acids in presence of zinc chlorides and to give alkyl chlorides, the reactions is R single bond OH plus HCl in presence of ZnCl2 and to give R single bond Cl plus H2O. Some example of alkyl chlorides are: first example, when ethyl alcohol is reacted with hydrochloric acids in presence of zinc chlorides and to give ethyl chlorides. The reaction is C2H5OH plus HCl in presence of ZnCl2 and to give C2H5Cl plus H2O. Example second, when isopropyl alcohol is reacted with hydrogen chlorides in presence of zinc chlorides and to give isopropyl chlorides. The reaction is CH3 single bond CH OH single bond CH3 plus HCl in presence of ZnCl2 and to give CH3 single bond CH Cl single bond CH3 plus H2O, that is isopropyl chloride. The important points in preparations of alkyl chlorides: primary and secondary alcohols requires the presence of catalyst, that is ZnCl2. The example number third, when tertiary butyl alcohol is reacted with hydrogen chloride at room temperatures and to give tertiary butyl chlorides, the reaction is CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond CH3 single bond OH plus HCl chemical reactions and to give CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond CH3 single bond Cl plus H2O, that is tertiary butyl chloride. In general, the preparations of alkyl bromides. When alcohol is reacted with concentrations of hydrobromic acids in presence of sodium bromide and concentrated sulfuric acids and to give alkyl bromides. The general reaction is R single bond OH plus HBr in presence of NaBr plus H2SO4 to give R single bond Br plus H2O, that is alkyl bromide. Some example of alkyl bromides are: example number first, when ethyl alcohol is reacted with concentrations hydrobromic acids in presence of sodium bromide with concentrated sulfuric acids and to give ethyl bromides. The reaction is C2H5OH plus HBr in presence of NaBr plus H2O to give C2H5Br plus H2O, that is ethyl bromide. Example second, when isopropyl alcohol is reacted with concentrated hydrobromic acids in presence of sodium bromide with sulfuric acids and to give isopropyl bromides. The reaction is CH3 single bond CHOH single bond CH3 plus HBr in presence of NaBr plus H2SO4 to give CH3 single bond CH plus Br single bond CH3 plus H2O, that is isopropyl bromide etc. The example number third, when tertiary butyl alcohol is heated with hydrobromic acids in presence of sodium bromide with sulfuric acids and to give tertiary butyl bromides. The reaction is CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond CH3 single bond OH plus HBr in presence of NaBr plus H2SO4 and to give CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond CH3 single bond Br plus H2O, that is tertiary butyl bromide. In general, the preparations of alkyl iodide. When alcohol is reacted with sodium or potassium iodide in presence of phosphoric acids and to give alkyl iodides. The reaction is R single bond OH plus HI in presence of catalyst is phosphoric acids to give R single bond I plus H2O, that is alkyl iodides. Example of alkyl iodides are: when ethyl alcohol is heated with concentrated hydroiodic acids and to give ethyl iodides. The reaction is C2H5OH plus HI. Chemical reactions to give C2H5I plus H2O, that is ethyl iodides. Thank you.